So now I am going to read my very new book, Marine Biotechnology. So Marine Biotechnology Studies and Application. This is a book published from the Wiley, and it's 326 pages in this book. It's really nice book. Look at this. So here, and you can buy from the Amazon website or Wiley website. So there's a lot of books about this one and also the similar books. And this book, in this book we have 10 chapters, 10 different chapters. For example, nanoparticles, photosynthesis of the marine mangrove plant, and mesophoric fish protein hydro. There's a lot of really good chapters. So now I am going to read each chapters. First, preface. The preface means it's like a short abstract of the book. So how they are going to read this book, each chapters and everything. So this book summarized many of the recent research accomplishments in the field of marine biotechnology. It explores a wide range of topics, includes evaluation of marine biotechnology, marine biodiversity, biomolecular components extracted from marine bioresources, biotechnological advances that extended the use of marine bioresources for industrial and agriculture applications, prospecting of natural products of marine phytoplankton, pharmaceuticals and nutrological applications of marine microalgae, extraction of drugs and food ingredients from marine malarial and biotechnological application of marine bacteria. Additional chapter covers marine endosphere of a natural untapped source of bioactive compounds, nanoparticles phytoconsisting from marine mangrove plants. The use of marine gelatin and chitin enable nanocomposite films for food coating and food packaging applications. Advanced anti-fungal alternative derived from marine bioresources. The leading researchers from the marine industry, academic, government, and private research institutions across the globe and have contributing to this book. Academicians, researchers, scientists, marine biotechnologists, aquaculture technicians, postdoctoral fellows, and both senior and graduate students involved in the research and development will be benefit for the applications-oriented research, which provide solutions of both fundamental and application problems. The various chapters in this book are authorized by prominent experts from industry, academic, government, and private research laboratories worldwide. It presents an up-to-date record major findings and observations in the field of marine biotechnology. This first chapter introduces the scope, state-of-art preparation method, challenges, and new opportunities in the marine biotechnology. Chapter 2 discusses the therapeutic aspect of compounds derived from microalgae fragments by the recent advances in their cultivation and commercialization. The chapter also covers the rules of the cyclic assessment in the evaluation of environmental impact of microalgae based products. The system evaluating cultivation method and designing sustainable extraction techniques are aimed at enhancing the economic, environmental, and industrial implications of the microalgae cultural system. Chapter 3 focusing on the pharmaceutical and critical application of marine algae. It covers marine bioalgae derived bacteria compounds. These pharmaceutical and neurocuticals uses diversity of the marine phytoplankton and for pharmaceutical application of marine biotechnology. The fourth chapter addresses the extraction of drug and food ingredients from marine algae. It's review the ecological rules, biotechnological composition classifications, and the potential application of the marine macroalgae, particularly in the food and pharmaceutical industry. Chapter 5 exploring the biological application of marine bacteria. The authors highlight the two main areas as the general applications of marine bacteria and the detailed subtopics such as isolation, sample collection, preparation, culling and incubation, and the use of the marine algae in the waste management, bioremediation, enzyme production of pharmaceuticals. The sixth chapter focusing on the nanoparticles and a photo consisting of the marine mangrove plants, emphasizing their potential biological and biomedical applications, and each discuss several bioactive derived from the plants and their rules, biochemistry and health care. The chapter 7 is dedicated to the mesoboric fish proteins, hydrolytic, anti-spermatic and antidiabetic peptides. It explains composition and bioactivity of mesoboric fish proteins, hydrolytic, and their production, antihypertensive and anti-diabetic peptides. The eighth chapter examines the portion of the mesopelagic algae fish, anti-cancer and antimicrobial biological application. Topics includes notable mesoclinic species with theoretical properties, mesosporic jellyfish, novel bioactive peptides and anti-cancer, anti-biological potential, Mediterranean mesophoric species. In the next chapter discuss the recent advances in marine drug, particularly the cancer therapy and immunity signals. The final chapter in this book focusing bioactive compounds derived from marine bioactive, covering their anti-cancer, antimicrobial effects. Topics include bioactive molecules, polysaccharide, lipids, and biowhales. Finally, we explored our sincere again to the contributing to the this book possible. We are deeply thankful communication with the Kuwait. So always we need to thank to the press, the publisher. So that's why we are giving a very good thanks to this publisher, to this book, publishing this book, and we are going to the first chapter in this book.